We have discussed about formation of gamete, fertilization. Before discussing cleavage, let us discuss different kinds of egg found in the animals. Inside the egg cytoplasm there is a reserve food material, माने संचय खाद्य, which is called as yolk. You might have seen in case of a hen egg there is a yellow substance. That yellow substance is nothing but a yolk, Y-O-L-K, yolk. That yolk is a kind of food that helps to grow the embryo. Embryo माने ताको खाई की बड़ होती. So depending upon that yolk amount, yolk रो परिमाण अनुଯାयी eggs are of 4 kinds. Alecithal, microlecithal, mesolecithal and megalecithal or macrolecithal. The first kind of egg is alecithal egg, in which there is no yolk absent, and it is found in case of human beings. Human egg is alecithal. Second kind of egg is microlecithal egg, which have less amount of yolk, and it is found in case of fishes. Third kind of egg is mesolecithal egg, having moderate amount of yolk. Moderate माने अधिक नहीं कि उना नहीं, मझिया मझिया, which is found in case of frog. Fourth kind of egg is megalecithal or macrolecithal egg, with more amount of yolk, बेसी परिमाण रो yolk थाए, which is found in case of birds and insect. Because birds and insects, they grow the child, they grow the baby in the egg. In case of bird, and in insect there are so many larval stages. From the egg larva comes out, so they need more food, so there is more yolk. Depending upon the distribution of yolk in the cell, egg is of 3 kinds. Distribution माने yolk जाक केमिति अच्छंती, चारियाडे समान अच्छंती कि गोटे पटक अच्छंती कि मझिरे अच्छंती, से अनुजाई egg होची 3 प्रकार. 3 types of eggs are there. They are isolecithal, telolecithal and centrolecithal. Isolecithal, in isolecithal the yolk distribution is uniform. सबुआडे समान प्रकार परिमाण yolk थाए. Found in case of fishes, and all microlecithal eggs are isolecithal. Second kind is telolecithal, where towards the one pole of egg, which is vegetal pole, the yolk is found. That means yolk ta gote side थाए. Found in case of frog and also in case of birds. Third kind of egg होची centrolecithal, जोटा कि yolk is found at the center and it is found in case of insect. So this is all about the different kinds of egg found in case of animals. Watch it, remember it, and if required answer my questions. Thank you.